So I know I look like a mess, but I'm gonna try and make a quesadilla as much as I can. You're not gonna really see my face that much. Look at the ingredients. La la la. Cheese. Why is it so hard to do? Okay, and close that. I'm not putting meat in it. I don't ever put meat in it. Oh, and my microwave's right here. And I have no clue where all my bread is besides this quesadilla. Probably in our microwave. Oh, it's home. That is our bread. This masterpiece is our bread because a mouse. Like, seriously, I don't know where a single of my bread is, and it's a mouse. Yeah, I almost ate a hot dog bun with a mouse bite in it. Yeah, it was horrible. I'm kind of just ranting. Natural. I'm gonna get my tortilla. It's really small compared. Really small compared to the plate. Except on this side. Oh. Scooch it over. I don't want you guys to fall over. Okay. The light. If I turn off the light, it's going to be too dark. Let me try. Oh, actually, no, fine. It's fine. Great. Cheese. That's my only ingredient. I just missed that. I was going to go with my only ingredient. That was my only ingredient. Giant handful. More. Did you know they're coming up with a new Wednesday in about 8 months. 8 months or more. Hey, you guys. Oh, you guys fell. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this in the microwave and put it back here in case I have to make another. I'm not useless. I'm gonna put it for 30 and just see how it comes out. I've never done this before. I've only watched my dad. So. And for Christmas, I got this cute little Nutella. It's so small. This is a normal size Nutella. It's so cute. Yeah. And I also got this slushy thing, which I used like 5 minutes ago. I'll put it in for 10 more seconds. Well, that's mostly it for today. Oh, it's already been 4 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, anyway. There's a little mouse cabinet there. I have 2 cabinets. Both empty. Oh yeah, that's good. you. Making quesadilla. Can you cut it? Six. Thank you, Dad. 6. Yay, it's not melted. It's fine, I like it. Alright. That's it for today.